I just like to clean things off, and also by making it wet, it keeps you from having to breathe the dust. So it's not as important to get it clean as it is to just wet it down, for me anyway. Remove that spring. Take note of where it went. Take note that the bigger one went on the inside for the park brake lever, outer one for your outer shoe. Trying to remember how to take these springs off. I think that'll do it. Park brake cable. You disconnect it down here. Now, these particular spots are going to need a little bit of lubricant. This is just where the shoes rub against the metal. This will help. Maybe I went with Detroit Axle. I've had great luck with all their products so far, so why stop now? Go for the same problem in reverse order. Just shove the cable through, put a clamp on it, get on the other side. Push it all the way through until it comes in, clips in just like that. Next thing we need to do is get our drum out. They've got a coating on there, a nice oil coating to keep them from rusting. We appreciate it, but we need to hose this down with brake wash and take a rag and wipe it up, get it good and clean. Now you notice this is your adjuster, or what they call an automatic adjuster. Each time you hit your park brake, it's supposed to adjust that up for you. It doesn't always work that great. Sometimes takes a little while. So you want to test fit your drums. And that's got all kinds of slop, so that's not going to work. So just go ahead and adjust that. Still a lot of slop, so we're going to keep adjusting it until that fits a little snug. So there, might have went a little too far. I'll have to go back the other way. Now that's what I'm talking about. Because you figure it's going to wear in pretty quick. We'll let that dry while we do the other side out. You didn't see it. This came off from right there. I'm just going to put it in there. You can see some scratch marks already from where it was put on. Just pop that out of there. Same thing on the other side. Should be able to lift up to remove this spring. Like a little clamp type thing on here. Just need to pry that loose just a little bit. If you can, you'll want to compress these in. Make sure the cable's pulled all the way out. Put your pair of vice grips right there. You know, hold it in place. Now I'm going to poke it all the way through. Push on it far enough, it should hit the end of this spring and pop it right into place. I don't know if you can or not, but I hope you got to see it pop in there. I'm not going to take it back out. But It just pops right up in there. Then you can remove your vice grips. I need to back that off just a little bit.